Hey everyone, welcome to Vlogmas Day 10. I'm just actually heading out to lunch. Just gonna get myself a little bit of lunch, but mainly I just wanted to get Jamie a sushi pack for when he because he's coming to cadets today, coming straight from school to cadets. So I normally like to get him a little bit of something to eat before he heads in, because my kids are weird. They don't take anything for their lunch. They actually just have a decent breakfast in the morning, and then they don't take anything at school, and then they just make themselves something to eat when they get home. So they've just got some weird pattern going, so I don't like him to go too long without eating, especially for him because he's so skinny. So yeah, like he sort of comes into port at about 5 o'clock on the bus, and then doesn't finish till 8, and we don't get home till 9. So it's just a hell of a long time for him not to eat. So he's been asking to have sushi for so long. Sushi. Oh, I say sushi. He's been asking to get sushi for so long, but usually by the time I finish work and go get it, they've just got dregs left. So I thought I'll go at lunchtime. I might pick up myself a little box, even though it's not keto. And yeah, just get a little box to put away for him. So I'm just going to do that and then head back to work, put his in the fridge, and he'll have something to eat when I pick him up from the bus stop. Because that's the kind of mum I am. Bloody spoiled kids. But nah, they've been really good actually. I can't complain. I mean, you can tell Jessie hates every minute of her life when she's doing domestic work at home. She hates it. And I know it's evil, but it kind of gives me a little bit of satisfaction knowing she's hating it. I know that's really awful. No, but they've been really, really good actually. Maybe this time it's actually sinking in, I don't know. But yeah, just each day I just give them, you know, half an hour's worth of little jobs to do around the house, and it just saves me so much time. Like, it only takes them half an hour to do each one, but it seems to just shave hours off the time that I have, you know what I mean? So it's giving me back a lot of hours in my day. So I definitely think I'm going to keep this up even after the whole punishment's over, because, you know, it's not a lot to ask. They get a lot. They pretty much get whatever they want. So I think that's all I can ask for. So yeah, that's the plan at the moment. Hopefully I'll get a quick parking spot, because apparently getting close to Christmas, it's getting so busy in Port. But my plan today is, once I've dropped Jamie off at cadets, I'm going to have a quick look in Target here in Port and a quick look in Priceline, because some of you guys have said that they've got a few nice gift packs available at the moment, and I didn't really get a good look at them when I was in Taree on the weekend. So I'll have a quick look at those. Then going to do a little bit of grocery shopping. We just need mainly food for the dogs. They've run out of chicken legs, so I need to get some food for the dogs, and then go visit my dad for a couple of hours, and that's pretty much it, and then head home. So yeah, hopefully I'll get this edited and starting to upload tonight. And that is where we're up to this minute. What the hell is wrong with my hair lately? I think it's the humidity.
What?
Oh, it's just, I don't know, it just looks like a friggin' 1950s man cut or something. I don't know what it looks like at the moment.
Where's the normal look like then?
Oh, yeah, that's true. Is the sushi good?
Uh-huh.
I had it in the fridge all day, so it stays fresh. Oh, great. That wasn't sushi, was it? Oh, is that the whole thing? Oh, Jamie! Wow.
Right? I saved it.
Oh, really? Wow. Did you lose any of them?
No.
Oh, that was lucky.
You told me we were going around about you.
Well, you know the route. Jeez, it's bloody hot, isn't it? So yeah, I think you might not have to wear your full uniform tonight. I think it said something about you just need to wear your shirt with the undershirt and just some shorts and joggers.
Okay.
Not sure why. So how was your day at school?
Good.
Do anything exciting? No? Get any homework? You don't get any more homework now for the rest of the year?
Never get home.
Did you get any more exams back?
No.
When does your reports come out? Are you nervous? You don't care either way, do you? Better be better than last report. So this is your last cadets for the year too, apparently. What was that?
What? I'm trying to tell you something.
Oh wait, you waited to put something in your mouth before you started answering.
Got now.
Might be having a bit of a Christmas party or something today.
Do.
Like your cadets.
I think we have KFC. We better have money.
Oh, really?
KFC.
And do you owe any money for last week? Or for
I think I got money in my wallet.
Yeah, don't use your own.
From the
money.
washing machine.
Why is this? Oh, it's my door's not shut. Lights on. I got some little shop things too. I got 3 of them, and she gave me 3 different ones.
I don't do little shop.
No, but that's the I had to open that one because it didn't feel like there was anything in it. Like it felt really flat, and I thought, oh, I wonder if that's a dud one, but it wasn't. It was a gingerbread. Gingerbread man. So, oh well. All right. Well, I'll give you. How much do you need? Can I give you some
$10.
coins? 10?
Yeah.
Oh, you're getting like did they get you each a meal deal?
I'm not sure. 10 would be definitely enough.
Yeah, 2, 4, 6, 8. Are you sure?
Yep.
If you use any of your money, let me know and I'll give it you back.
Put it in my pocket. Yeah. I'm rich now.
I'll see you when you finish. Here's your bag, Rooney. Can you just pick all that sushi stuff up and put it up here, and then I can... Is there any rice or anything down there? Because we get ants in this car, and
That's it.
just pick them all out. Yeah. Is that it? All right. I'll see you tonight. not going to get too close, guys, but have a look at that. There's like a tiny baby duck. Oh, just one of them. How cute is that? There's usually a lot more. I don't know why there's only... Look, he's chasing the other one. I wonder why they've only got one. There's usually a heap of them. I don't want to scare them too much. How cute is that? It's keeping the dad away. Oh, so cute. Wildlife. They're strange looking creatures. Okay, we've just made it home now. It's about 9:15, so I'll quickly do the Advent calendar unboxing and sign off for tonight and try and get this edited and starting to upload before midnight tonight. Okay, so are we on day 10? I'm pretty sure we're day 10, aren't we? Yes, we are on day 10. Day 10, big one here. Okay, let's have a look what we got. So it says, focusing, wrap gifts like an eco-warrior with old magazines, newspapers and colourful fabric. Okay. Let's have a look what we got. Oh, this looks pretty. Pink grapefruit gel lotion. Let me have a sniff of that, see what that smells like. Oh, that's quite nice. It actually smells exactly like pink grapefruit. So if you like that sort of fragrance, that's the one for you. It's it's probably not really my kind, not my style of fragrance, but it might actually smell nice once it's actually on. So yeah, that's that one. Let's put this one in. Got some sort of face happening now, so we'll see. All right, guys, well, I'll sign off here. Hope you enjoyed today. It didn't quite go as planned. Target was a bit of a bust and I didn't end up filming in Priceline, but anyway, it goes like that sometimes. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching.